Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MJ Destin Tech, where you get to learn about AutoCAD both in 2D and 3D. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the extrude command. The extrude command is so important for making 3D objects from 2D objects. It can be got from the command line. This I'm showing you below. You can just type extrude just come there, type extrude. You can see it will be brought as the first option, and if you want to continue you just click on it. It will tell you to select the object you want to continue. So for now I'll first cancel, so I'm still demonstrating. Yeah, that is the first option. The second option is that after opening your new page, your new blank page, you can come here where there is home and move down. You will see extrude, and below this there are more options where we have loft, revolve and sweep command. But right now we are interested in the extrude command, and I'm still showing you how it can be got from your AutoCAD page. The other option, the third option, is coming here where we have the solid, and moving just on your right you will see extrude command still, and below it there is press pull. But for now we are interested in the extrude command, so you left click on it and it will tell you to select the object that you would want to extrude. So for all these I've been cancelling because I don't have the drawing yet to show you how to use the extrude command. So I'll go back to home and I will demonstrate this using a rectangle. I'll come here, then just draw a rectangle. Can be like that. This rectangle is in 2D. We need two axes, X and Y, that are visible. And since we are interested in drawing 3D diagrams from 2D, I'll come here where there are view controls, then I go, right now it was in top, but I'll go for southeast isometric, and the view will be like this, where we had the two axes X and Y, we are now having Z as the third axis. From this rectangle I will be demonstrating how good the extrude command can be. So if I want to extrude this rectangle, like I said, the first consideration I have to make is to make sure that the Z axis is in the direction where I want my extruding to be. Say if I want to extrude going up, the Z axis must be facing up. If I want to extrude going down, then I should change the Z axis to face down. Or if I want to extrude going to the left, I have to change it to be in the left. Otherwise I will give the negative distance for my extrusion in any of the opposite direction. The opposite, I mean if I want to extrude going down but my view is showing the Z axis to be up, so I will use a negative distance and it will go down. It will be opposite to the direction of Z. Now I'll start by demonstrating the first command and this time round I'll just type extrude in my command line and I'll press enter on the keyboard. So they're asking me to select the object to extrude. I'll come here and left click, then right click and press enter. As you can see, it is moving. So from here I'm required to enter the distance or the height of the extrusion. For a start I'll say 50, and that is my box. Remember, it was a rectangle in 2D, now it's a box, complete box. And for easy viewing, you can change it to realistic. As you can see, it's a nice rectangle from a 2D rectangle. Now I'll come here and put it still in my southeast isometric, and also go back to my 2D wireframe. So here we are. Because the Z was facing up, the extrusion also moved up. Now I'll use this other example to demonstrate what I meant. Can come here and change my X and Y coordinates. Can decide to say front. With the front, the Z is coming this side, and Y and Z they are like at the back. So I'll come here and select my circle command, and from that I can decide to draw my circle just here at the center. As you can see, I can decide to give it diameter of 25. There we are. Now since the Z is facing this side where you're seeing it, it means even when I'm extruding, still it will be moving in that direction. Even if I go this side but I give my distance, say 80, the extrusion will find its way where it is supposed to go. Now I'll first undo this step for us to see it very well. I will repeat this again, and this time round I'll use a negative distance since I want it to enter that way, the way you're seeing. So I'll use negative 80 just to oppose the Z axis, and there we are, it has stayed there. So to see this clear also, you can use the realistic view, and there we are, having two parts, and all have been got from extrusion or the extrude command. Yeah, so I'll also consider the fact that the extrude command can help you to get complex parts like the way I've done. From here we can just subtract this from this, but that will be another command, but I'll show it shortly since it has all come from the extrude command. So we've got this only using the extrude command and the subtraction command. So that's how good the extrude command can make you go. And this is part 1. Yeah, part 1. And I think for today I'll stop there with the extrude command. But just remember those 3 things I've told you. First, how to get the extrude command. You can either type the command line, then you select extrude, there we are. Here you can select it, So you can come here just below where home is, there is extrude, or you come to home. After pressing home, you look on the left, on the right, then there is extrude. So from all those points you can get your extrude, and you can extrude 2D objects to 3D straight away. Also remember the effect of Z-axis on your extrusion. Wherever the Z is pointing, that's where your extrusion will take place. That's where your 3D will take part, or will take shape. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in for more videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is MJ Destin Tech. Thank you so much. Watch out for my random videos that will be coming out twice a week. Thank you so much.